I have so many tasks, emails, orders, reports. I can't do everything.
Need help, human?
Wait, can you actually do my work?
I am an AI agent. That's exactly what I do.
An AI agent is like a smart assistant. It understands your task, decides what to do, takes actions to complete it. So, not just answering, but doing? Okay, then do this. Find my customer order and process refund.
Proceed. Here's what I do step by step. Understand your request. Check data orders. Decide action. Execute using tools. Refund completed. Email sent.
You did everything!
Think of it like a company. You are the customer, the agent is the manager, the AI is the brain, and tools are the workers.
Nah, I get it.
An AI agent is a system that can think, decide, and act to complete tasks automatically.
I need you every day. Learn AI the fun way with ABCWordzilla.
Subscribe now.